Hello, it's me. I'm just cleaning up. I just showed you how to do a great design using Flower Crazy. These have been featured on QVC. They were around $28 on QVC. They're now $19.99 on my website. If you order a case of 16 or more, if you're an event designer or doing your own wedding, they're even less. But they're one of my products. I also have online courses, the Ultimate Online Floral Course. I have the Ultimate Design Your Own Wedding Flower Course coming up. They'll be out in a few weeks. I also have my 3 books, Paris, Design Star, and Flower Power. Flower Power shows you really easy designs from my East and West Coast design operations, where I do really glamorous things that look difficult, and they're actually so easy to do. Everything I design, I think is easy. So easy, even I can do it. And the author of 3 books in 15 schools around the country. So, learn how to design properly. Learn from the right instructor, and you too will be able to do anything very easily. So I'm just cleaning up. This is our grevillea that we got from Michael's flower garden. These are, I have a few more rows. I want to put a few more rows into my Flower Crazy design system. I invented this on a kitchen table about 5 years ago. And now it's been seen on QVC several times. All you have to do is find the hole. I'm running out of holes here. And stick it in a hole. How have I run out of holes? Nope, there you go. Stick it in a hole. And then play with them till you have the perfect design. I just showed you how to do this in a previous video. I've got wax flower that came from Michael's Flower Garden. You get full bunches of flowers, and you get tutorials to watch. Beautiful carnations. I know a lot of people don't like carnations. I'm going to teach you how to love carnations again. And I've got pink Gerber daisies, a favorite of mine. Always look good. You can't go wrong with Gerber daisies. We'll pull them out like this and recut them. So, again, when you get your flowers from Michael's Flower Garden, make sure you cut them, put them in warm water in a bucket for like an hour and a half, let them hydrate from their overnight trip from the farms of California, and you'll be ready to design. Oh, I found some more that I cut the same length. You'll be ready to design. Years ago, I was a truck driver for a flower company, for a flower shop, and I just started following all the top designers in the world. I studied under several of them. I had my own store for many years. So in the online course, I tell you all the secrets to not only designing, but buying, how to keep a customer, how to sell a bride. All those things are on the online. Ooh, some beautiful stock left over. So with Michael's Flower Garden, you get enough flowers. If you bought this retail, this would probably be $150. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20, 30. There's 30 roses times 3. Premium roses, $3 retail. That's 90. Yeah, it'd be about $150. If you do it with Michael's Flower Garden and Flower Crazy, the container, you could make this for about 40. So if you're designing your own wedding, this might be the way you want to go. 40, 50, probably a third of what it would cost you. Yes, a lot more. So again, I'm just cleaning up here after showing my last design. So go to michaelsflowergarden.com, go to the ultimateonlinefloralcourse.com. Whatever you do, just make sure you get beautiful flowers around your house. My philosophy on designing is, if you've ever been to my classes, it's very easy. It's 2 + 2 equals, yes, correct. If you didn't come up with the answer 4, maybe this won't work for you. That's my entrance exam to school. 2 + 2. But once you come to school, my students always say, oh, I don't know if I'm very creative. I'm like, I don't care. Oh, I'm really creative. My friends always tell me I was meant to be a design star. The name of the book. I go, I don't care. And by the end of the first day in class, they're all doing beautiful things like this in their hand. The first project we do is a hand tie. This whole thing designed in their hand. They're like, I can't believe I made this. Oh my God. They leave my school in shock with 3 different arrangements the first day. The sample class, by the way, is $150. You do 3 big arrangements for $150. There's the intro course, it's $495. That's 3 days of designing. And you have the Design Star program, which is 20 some different classes on design, English, American, Japanese, and that is $18.50. Includes all your flowers. On the last day, if you're full time, I throw you buckets of flowers and say, design a wedding. I'm going to lunch. Sometimes I go to lunch, usually I don't. But you do a wedding on your last day, and the results are spectacular. Please watch the videos on my website from students who have been in my course and the work they do. I'm always on Saturday every week going, oh my God, that's spectacular. Where the hell did you learn that? And they're like, well, from you. You're our teacher. I go, oh, that's right. Anyway, it's your newness comes out. The fact you're an ingenue comes out. Your life story comes out. I swear, on Saturday, I see the most spectacular work after being with me for a very, very short time. But again, I teach proper design using science, math, and architecture. That's what brings this home every time. This whole container right here, Flower Crazy, is based on architecture. So we made this in our last video in about 5 minutes. Check it out. I'm Michael Gaffney telling you to keep blooming. Get your flowers from Michael's Flower Garden, FedEx to you overnight. Make beautiful arrangements and live a happy life. Keep blooming. I'll see you in the next video.